DAWN Validator Airdrop is the easiest airdrop I've ever seen in my life. All you just need is just to open the extension, keep it running in the background, and it will keep accumulating points for you passively without you needing to be present on the website. And in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how you can start participating in this airdrop right now before it's too late. So stick to the end of this video. At this project, I've been able to raise more than $30 million from reputable investors such as Dragonfly, Vanek, and a whole lot of other reputable investors. You see why you should not joke with this airdrop right now. First of all, let me tell you what DAWN is and what DAWN is building. DAWN is trying to build a decentralized broadband network. That is, DAWN is building a user-powered broadband network where regular people like me and you can host infrastructure, also known as nodes, and help provide internet service. It's built on decentralized protocol, which is DAWN protocol, that leverages blockchain, specifically the Solana blockchain, to coordinate and reward nodes. Few big internet service providers controlling everything. DAWN wants many smaller micro providers like me and you to power the network. If you are in Nigeria, one of the popular internet service providers are MTN, Glo, Airtel. These internet providers are centralized and they can do anything they want. They can increase the price of their service. They can do anything they want to their network. But what DAWN is building is a decentralized network that not a single person or a single company will be controlling. Instead, users like me and you will build the network. And DAWN uses several proofs, which are trustless mechanisms to ensure nodes are doing what they are supposed to do. For example, use proof of backup (POB) to measure actual bandwidth capacity of a node. It also uses proof of location to verify that a node is physically where it claims to be. It also uses proof of frequency (POF) to ensure that nodes use the correct wireless spectrum and manage frequency usage properly. It also uses proof of service, verifying actual data usage between nodes. DAWN also have hardware components. It's not just software protocol. They also have hardware components. They are building real physical hardware components, such as robotic antenna system. They also have black box or cloud native router, which is faster than normal router. I'm not going to bore you with all this stuff. If you want to know more, you can go to their website to know more about what they are building and why it's important. Now that you know what DAWN is building and that you know that DAWN is a real and solid project, let me now show you how to participate in their testnet airdrop. As we all know, DAWN is on mainnet here, meaning that it's in testnet phase, allowing you to potentially participate in network and earn points that will later be converted to tradable token when they are on mainnet. So all you just need to do is just to run the extension on your laptop, and if you don't have a laptop, I'm going to show you a trick that you can use to also participate in the network and run the extension if you don't have a laptop, because normally extensions are for laptop, but I'm going to show you a trick to use if you don't have laptop. So by running extension, you are helping verifying you are helping them verifying the network, and by contributing the network you'll be rewarded in points that later be converted to tradable tokens when they are on mainnets. So all you just need to do is just to go to your browser and search DAWN Validator. So if you are using laptop, you can use any browser, maybe Chrome browser. But if you are using phone, you must download DAWN Validator browser. You must download Mrs. Browser rather, Mrs. Browser. Then you search DAWN Validator. DAWN Validator. So you click this first link. Earn rewards by participating in a DAWN network as a proof of bandwidth validator. You click this first link. Then you click build the network. And you click get validator extension. And click add to Chrome. Click add to Chrome. This one just click OK. And make sure you turn on desktop sites. So now it has already been added to my Chrome. See, now it's showing remove from Chrome. It might take, when you click add to Chrome, it might take minutes to load. Just give it time to load. Then you click the extension button at the bottom. Then you click login or sign up. You enter your email. I'm just gonna enter my email right there. So I will enter my email. Then click submit. Then a confirmation code will be sent to my email. I'm just gonna go and copy the confirmation code. I'm gonna wait for it to enter. Let me reload the app. So you can click the arrow to open the extension fully. So now I will copy the code. Copy the code, then paste it here. Success. Now my account has successfully been verified. So now let's wait for it to load. So now it has loaded. Then you enter referral code. So it's very important. I'm just gonna enter my own referral code. I'm just gonna enter my referral code. So this is not correct. I think there is a mistake here. So it said this user has already been referred. That's because I've already signed up on DAWN before. So if you will not sign up, the referral code will be applied. Make sure you use my referral code. Will be giving some bonus point when you sign up with my referral code. So when you start, your balance will not be this one you are seeing here, because we have already completed some tasks such as connecting my Discord, Telegram, X and all of that, you can go ahead and do it so. So if you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also click the video which is popping up on your screen right now for more exciting opportunities like this. Thank you.